4 smart programs make cooking your favorite rice, oatmeal, and grains to fluffy perfection super fast and one touch easy. Steam veggies, easily steam veggies, fish and more. Doubles as a warmer, keep foods nice and warm during potlucks, parties, picnics and more. 8 Cuban pesos capacity, 4 cup, uncooked/8 cup, cooked. Its compact capacity is perfect for preparing small individual meals or meal prep side dishes. Accessories included. In addition to the non-stick ceramic-coated pot, the Zest Plus also comes with a dishwasher-safe steamer tray, rice measuring cup and rice spoon. Safety features includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. From the makers of Instant Pot, the Instant Zest rice and grain cooker with 8 cup capacity is the perfect combination of value, convenience and cooking ease. Smart cooking programs help you save time and ensure dishes turn out exactly as you want them to. Fine-tune and save cooking times and temperatures that suit your family's tastes. In addition to the smart program presets for white and brown rice, quinoa and oatmeal, you can cook any type of rice and grain fast and perfectly, from millet, farro and freekeh, to polenta, barley, rice pudding and more. Even hearty grains like spelt and wheat berries, which typically require lots of cooking time. More than just a rice cooker, the Instant Zest quickly steam veggies, fish, dumplings, tamales, cabbages, wontons and more with ease. Bright, bold display and status indicators let you know exactly where your food is in the cooking process. Delay start and keep warm functions make sure your rice, grains and more are ready when you are. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I eat rice and or oatmeal pretty close to each day of the week. This is absolutely perfect for me. Wake up in the morning, toss all the ingredients for raisin cinnamon oatmeal, turn it on along with the coffee maker. Jump in the shower and get prepared for work, and I have breakfast ready for me when I am finished. Toss the pot in the washing machine and when I return home from work, toss everything in for some rice and vegetables. Then switch out of my uniform and half my dinner is already finished, just need to throw together some simple protein and I am fed. With the Instant Zest being so wonderful, I am saving my pennies to get the Instapot.